No, maglaba ka na dyan. Sumami.
Hindi sinama.
Sorry.
Naglalaba.
All space occupied.
Hello mga katribo. Mang Polo. Mang Polo, ayan o. Naglalabigate o.
Tolids, kaya mo yung tawag dito.
Welcome to my channel.
Ay.
Si Pader ne? Pader Elmer.
Yes.
We're gonna go to visit Father Elmer, and then we're going to Wales with Amigo and Mang Paul.
On the way tayo.
On the way.
Tolids,
Yes.
very good.
Okay. Panoorin mo yung vlog ko para kuhan.
Abe, ilan ang followers mo ba?
Wala, 58 pa lang. yung mga Indian.
58,000 Tolids.
58 piraso.
Parts ilang minutes yun?
Ha?
Ilang minutes? Papunta na po tayo sa malapit na po tayo sa Mall of Asia. Laguna Bay na po yun, matatanaw nyo.
Ayos pala to, may vlogger na tayo dito.
Ay, hindi po pala, North Wales.
Hey, correct.
Manila Bay.
Mall of Asia na, Mall of Asia. Katribo Homestead. Hanapin mo. Ganda ha. Welcome to Wales. Yan si Father. Hi Father.
Hello.
Hello to the vlog. Hello to my channel.
Kamusta? Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
We conquer North Wales.
Mamaya. Ay si Amigo. Ayan, ito Conway Castle. Ay si Greg. Si Father. Ayan natin si Father.
Hello.
Father Elmer. Father, ano yung surname mo?
Father Elmer Villamayor.
Villamayor.
Sign at St. Joseph, the husband of Mary Bangad.
Sa Bangad si Father.
Doon kayo magpakasal. Ang ganda ng simbahan.
Sa Bangad. Ayan.
Sige.
Ayan sa Conway si Father. Pinapasyal namin dito sa may Conway. Nauna na sila. Si Amigo. Ito si Amigo. Yung crab natin, pang crab natin dyan, Amigo. Wala.
Ano to? Itong click yung button?
Okay, Conway Castle.
1, 2, 3.
North Wales. Yan, maraming pan dito, pang crab. Panghuli ng crab dyan. Lakas ng current ah.
Amigo ko na yung service mo.
Wala nga eh. Spider yan ah.
Stop ka. Yan.
Tayo sa may dipan. Sa Marina tayo kumain. Kumakain tayo merienda.
Video?
Mga kababayan.
Yeah, mga kababayan, ito si Lito to sa Conway Castle.
English.
Oh, English.
Friends, Romans and countrymen, this is Mr. Joselito. This is at Conway Castle in Wales, North Wales. We are going around, going on the steps up here on the side with Father Elmer, and this is Alan. This is and the orange shirt, and the sea is nice and healthy. Even the weather is actually cooperating. And that's Mr. Lito. This is. And Greg, want to say hello to the right? Nice.
This is a great tower after the medieval years, way back 700 years ago.
Fantastic.
And
this is.
look at these things.
This is Greg the historian. This is, you know, yes,
This is the World
the conqueror of North Wales.
We call it
Toilets.
World Heritage.
Ah.
We are in the medieval years.
Hi. Thank you.
I think it's my second
And that is the castle itself. Beautiful.
picturesque.
Nice. And that's Captain Jack Sparrow's boat that is on the side.
Less than a minute talaga yung content mo. Ano siyang ano? Para mga 3 minutes. Hindi ito, is live ba? Naka-live ba yun?
Hindi, i-edit ko pa to. Eh, ganda. Conway Castle. Sarap ba?
Yeah.
Ames?
We have different wild berries, red berries. And
Try it, try it.
Magpapil naman ako.
So sweet.
Ano rules to Litz? Huwag ka kukuha doon sa baba dito, Greg. Ginijingle ang aso eh.
Ay, dito. Ito, masarap to. Merienda natin to, merienda. Brother, may ng berries. Nice. Kaya, Conway Bay. Conway Bay. Ayan. Say hello. Ah, Mika. Parts. Ano masasabi mo sa ating tour?
Masarap dito. Marami mahuhuling mackerel dito.
Mackerel, pwede.
Mackerel is the best.
Hindi natin nadala yung pang natin, crab natin eh.
Mackerel and crab.
Dito, naglaglag ka lang dyan, meron ka ng crab dyan.
There's an abundant
Conway
catch
Castle.
here with mackerels and
Ganda.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Like we're doing when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know what feels when we're falling in love.